welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Saurambai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The SDB Change Congress ended yesterday morning, Friday, September 23rd. After 4 days of debates, confrontations and stimuli on a wide variety of emerging issues, finally came the stimuli of the Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez Artime, and the closing words of the General Economer, Brother John Paul Muller, SDB. The session opened with the intervention of the consultant and expert collaborator of the General Economer's Office, Dr. Janko Joachimson, who made a speech on resources to guarantee the mission, outlining the challenges that now await those present upon their return to their respective locations, the path still to be taken for the future, and the tools to achieve it. Father Rafael Bejarano, Head of Salesian Works and Social Services, then moderated a panel discussion in which, in addition to the Rector Major Kinzia Arena, World Administrator, and Sister Anna Viralis Balos, General Economer of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, also took part. With the SDB Change Congress, the Salesian congregation has, for the first time, brought together in a congress its provincial economers, the heads of the planning and development officers, the directors of mission offices, the head of fundraising, and all the other key people for the economic management of the Salesian family scattered in 134 nations of the world, and it called them to work for economic efficiency, the vocation to youth, and the testimony of poverty. The meeting, which began last Monday and closes today in Rome at the Salesian Pontifical University, served to strengthen our energy or know-how, always with the spirituality and vocation for young people at the center. We must always confront each other to best help young people for a future that will be more complex and turbulent, explains Brother John Paul Muller, General Economer of the congregation. 3 days of listening, debate and workshops, the National Assembly of Salesiani per il Sociale, Organizing Hope, concluded on Sunday morning, September 18th, with Father Francesco Priete, National President, summing up. The process of programming from below begins now, said Father Francesco Priete. It is a journey that will last until the next assembly, scheduled for June. In this period, the committees are called to elaborate on what was begun during these days. These were 3 intense days full of ideas and content. There were numerous speakers and guests who took part, delving into issues that are central to social issues in the country at this historical moment. The third national meeting of the Salesian Network of Parishes and Shrines was held from September 16 to 18 to study and deepen the document, Parishes and Shrines Entrusted to Salesians, proposed by the Congregation's Sector for Salesian Youth Ministry. It was attended by 60 people, including pastors, vicars and lay people from parishes and shrines entrusted to the Salesians in Brazil. The Salesians currently manage 72 parishes, 7 of them parish shrines, and 7 other shrines, 3 of them basilicas in Brazil, as well as 7 indigenous parishes and 1 university parish. On September 17, Father Ricardo Carlos, Superior of the Brazil Campo Grande BCG province, presided over the Eucharist at the Don Bosco Shrine. For 3 days, the Salesian heart of the Pia province PLN beat to the rhythm of youth. About 400 youth and Salesian come to Pia for the SYM Festival Live 2022 to inaugurate the new formation year of the Salesian Youth Movement, SYM. From September 16 to 18, young people from various parts of northwestern Poland and even from Berlin come to the Salesian Center, and representatives of Salesian evangelization communities from across the country were also present. Friday evening was devoted to the integration of festival participants and the traditional good night by Father Derek Personal, SDB pastor. On Saturday morning, more representatives of schools and educational centers from the Pisa province arrived to participate in the Eucharist, inaugurating the new SYM school and educational year presided over by Father Thaddeus Itraik, SDB, PLN Provincial. The festival was attended by children, students and youth workers. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.